How to multiply a monomial by a binomial. Let's take this example where you have a monomial 2ab and you have this binomial. That is, binomial means it will have two terms. So this is one term and this is another term. So you have two terms, it makes it this algebraic expression a binomial, and here you have only one term, that makes it monomial. Okay, now if you have to multiply m multiplied by b, that is 2ab multiplied by minus 5a square b plus 7ab, right? Now if you remember the distributive property of multiplication, like if you have a multiplied by b plus c, then a multiplied by b plus c is equal to a multiplied by b plus a multiplied by c. This is distributive property of multiplication over addition. Similarly, if it is a multiplied by b minus c, then this is equal to a multiplied by b minus a multiplied by c. This is distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Now, just the reverse of it. If this is not the reverse, but like if the position of b plus c and a is interchanged, like if it is b plus c multiplied by a, or it is b minus c multiplied by a, what you will do in that case? Well, in that case, first you will apply the commutative property of multiplication. What does commutative property says? That says that if 2 multiplied by 3, then 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3 multiplied by 2. That is, x multiplied by y is equal to y multiplied by x. That is the commutative property of multiplication. So here, if you think this as x, so this is basically what? X multiplied by a. We can write x multiplied by a as a multiplied by x. So what's x actually here? X is actually b plus c. Now we can easily do a multiplied by b plus a multiplied by c. So it's a kind of revision of distributive property. Now you have to remember this because we are going to use in our discussion here. Now if you have to multiply this one, so this is basically was monomial and this is what? Binomial. So what you do is, this is 2ab multiplied by minus 5a squared b plus 2ab multiplied by 7ab. This is equal to minus 10 a cubed b squared plus 14 a square, sorry, this is b square, this should be b squared, so here you have b squared, so this is 14 a squared b cubed. Now you can write this as 14 a square b cubed minus 10 a cubed b squared. Both these two are correct. If you want this term, that is the negative term, in the second position, then you can write it in this form. Now suppose if it is given like, if you have to multiply b multiplied by m, that is minus 5 a square b plus 7 ab squared multiplied by 2ab. If you have to do this, then it's simple what we have discussed here. First you will apply the commutative property, that is this will be equal to 2ab multiplied by minus 5a squared b plus 7ab squared. Now exactly the same to this one, you can proceed as we have done here. Here you have a monomial that is minus 7xyz and binomial is 2ab minus 4. Now you know that a number that is a constant is actually a polynomial. Polynomial means it can be monomial, binomial, trinomial, and so on and so forth. So a constant number, an integer, can be a polynomial. So this is one term and this is another term. That makes it, you can write this as 2ab plus minus within bracket 4. So one term is of this binomial is 2ab and another term is minus 4, right? We know that in polynomials the terms are added together. So terms are added together, therefore the second term is actually minus 4. Now if you have to multiply m multiplied by b, it means that it is minus 7xyz multiplied by 2ab, and let's write it in this form, plus minus 4, because if you open the bracket this becomes 2ab minus 4 only. Now if you do this, this is minus 7xyz and this is multiplied by 2ab, then you have this as plus, so minus this is minus 7xyz and this is plus, so this becomes minus 7xyz multiplied by minus 4. Now you know that we always multiply the numbers together, so here this will be minus 7 multiplied by 2 and then it is x multiplied by y multiplied by z multiplied by a multiplied by b. Okay, this sequence is not important. You can write a before x and x at the last, doesn't matter, right? The sequence is not important. What is important is you should not miss any of these variables. Now this is minus 7, right? This is minus 7, or let's write it like this one only. Let's put this as plus and let's put here minus, right? It's same thing like this. Here we have plus, so keep it this plus here. Now this is minus 7xyz, write this one and then minus 4. That will be easier for you. So write plus here. Now multiply minus 7 and minus 4 together, and then you have x, this is multiplied by x multiplied by y multiplied by z. Now solve this, you get minus 14, this is x y z a b. It means minus 14 multiplied by x multiplied by y multiplied by z multiplied by a multiplied by b, right? Then plus, this is minus 7 multiplied by minus 4, that is minus when you multiply two negative numbers the outcome will be positive, so this is 28, and here you have x, y and z. You have x, y and z. Now you can write this as 28x y z minus 14x y z a b, right? Now this answer is completely correct. If you want to further simplify it, you can do how? Here you have x multiplied by y multiplied by z, and here also you have x multiplied by y multiplied by z. If we take this common out, so this is x y z, that is x multiplied by y multiplied by z. If you take this common, so here you will have 28 and then minus, here you will have 14ab. This answer is also correct, whether you go with this one or you go with this one.